How to extend the life of your tile and grout. Hello friends, today we will talk about how to extend the life of your tile and grout. Most modern homes feature multiple flooring materials such as marble and ceramic tile. Just like carpet, tile and grout can show embedded dirt and traffic patterns that require professional cleaning to remove. Follow these tips below to prolong your tile and grout lifespan. Consider choosing glazed ceramic tile flooring. Most kinds of glazed porcelain, glazed ceramic, and terracotta floor tile can last 50 years or more. Like wax on linoleum and sealant on hardwoods, the glazing on porcelain ceramic flooring helps protect it from wear and tear. Use only non-abrasive cleaners. Abrasive cleaners work much like dirt particles, scratching the surface of your tile flooring and removing any protective glaze or coating applied by the manufacturer. Vinegar and water make excellent cleaning solutions, and there are some non-abrasive tile floor cleaners that can be used. Mop frequently. Using a small amount of mild dish detergent mixed with hot water. Avoid using a sponge mop, which will push dirt off tiles and into the grout. Replace water as soon as it gets dirty. Dry the tile and avoid accidents by keeping people out of the room until the tile has dried completely. Clean spills to avoid stains. Everyday messes should be cleaned up to avoid staining of the tiles. Invest in replacement tiles. When you buy your tile flooring, it's best to invest in some replacement tiles. When you buy your flooring, so that any broken or damaged tiles can be replaced later for a seamless look. Keep grout clean. Using a stiff brush and hot water to clean grout can do a great job of getting the grime. You can use a paste of vinegar and baking soda to scrub stubborn stains. Allow the mixture to set for a few minutes before rinsing for best cleaning results. Seal seams. Grout is a porous substance and often white or light colored, and it is prone to getting dirty. Seal the grout to avoid it being discolored or damaged. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to the Engineer Ajay Arts channel, How to Make Home.